Look at this. It's already drowned in there. There's a swimming pool out there. Shoot, man. It's so bad and windy out there. Oh, went ahead and said, Astroboy! And he came right through the bathroom door. He doesn't do that, folks. He doesn't. When he hears his name, he's like, what the heck you want? And he makes me chase after him. But that rain, golly! What happens when you live out in the boondocks? Isn't that right, Astro boy? Huh, Astro? Look at your eyes. Ooh, it's almost like 3D. At least it gives me a chance to see if you got any cuts, fresh cuts from Gaia. Had to separate them again. Yeah, Bubba. Love how your eyes change colors with lighting. Yeah, that's an old one right there. Hope you don't got anything hiding under your chest. Because I know there's an old wound somewhere around here. There it is, right there. It's already been healing, so it's good. Well, I'll let you dry off. I'll watch the video again. Maybe I see something I didn't see. Huh. Is that another wasp thing that happened earlier? You don't know. What you mean you don't know? You want a belly rub? See, and that's what Gaia did to him. In there. There's a cut. That's an old, about 4 weeks ago. She gave him that cut. Hopefully his fur grows over it. He's scarred everywhere. The Gaia, that nose got ripped. But the EMT works great. Don't do that in front of the camera. I'm trying to keep it rated chi here. Chi willikers. Yeah, lower it down. Good boy. I'll let you rest. Oh, no. You got another cut. Okay. We'll put some EMT. Keep you inside. Feed you inside. And then, I know you don't like the kennel, but you're going to have to stay in the kennel for tonight. So I'll keep you as long as I can before I go to bed, take a shower. That's true. That's true. At least we dried you up. Gee willikers, Bubba. You gotta put some petroleum jelly on your ears. Almond-shaped eyes with mascara. Yeah. Yes, baby. I know it's all natural, Astro. You're not a rock star. Or actually, you are a rock star. What's that in your ear? Got it out. Only rock stars wear makeup. Yeah. I know you don't like kennels, but I'm sure since you don't do it often now, one night will be okay. I'll let you go in the morning. Okay, that's about 4 minutes. 4 minutes too long, playtime. Ooh, yeah. Was that good? Huh? It's 3D. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, sometimes you just don't understand. And sometimes you just gotta do it, you know? Yeah. Get you to play my son Maxie. Oh, look at your eyes. Bubba, go to sleep. I'm gonna have myself a hamburger. Ooh. Yeah, I give you a belly rub. Yeah. Don't worry. We're gonna neuter Gaia soon. Mm-hmm. Okay, there we go. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. You say bye-bye? Say bye. Say bye. Say aloha. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. You want to say bye? Grrr, look at that. The beast. So she did get you on the leg. I knew it. Okay. Bye-bye.